channel. Today I am going to be doing another unboxing, and this one is through Fashionphile. I have already gotten the box kind of opened up, just sliced open here. So I'm going to take you through a full, true unboxing to see what goodie I got. I have not even unboxed this yet, so I have no idea what condition this item is in. I was able to snag it at 20% off, so I was counting down until it hit the 20, and I was like, yes, yes, buy, buy, and I got it. It is an amazing deal, and I hope that it is everything that I hoped and dreamed of. So let's get into it and see what we got. Opening it up here, it is the traditional Fashionphile interior here, where they have the logo and their name. If I can get this so I can show you. And then there's just all of the fun confetti. It's like party in a box, because it's like, hey, you got a brand new bag, let's have a party. Inside we have a thank you card. That's probably the receipt and paperwork info. They did recently pair with Neiman Marcus, so maybe this means that since they are now paired, they can, like, Fashionphile can start selling stuff through Neiman Marcus, or if you sell a bag, you can get the money on like a Neiman Marcus gift card. That would be cool if they would give you like more money back for that. So just some tips for you, Fashionphile. So inside, further on, we got the little, the file, I don't know. It says it right on there, I don't know why I blanked. The file for your fashionable fingernails. And then all of, again, the confetti that is going everywhere. Gosh. The item itself used is the new, their traditional Fashionphile dust bag. Oh, okay, I see her. It's black and gold. Oh, look at that. Yes, I got another reissue. So as you see, I am sporting my first reissue. I am absolutely in love. Like, this is probably my top 2 or 3 most used bag, and I think that it's because it's super carefree. The strap drop is perfect for crossbody, and the sizing, it just holds a ton. So of course I had to invest and get another one. Do you see a theme here though? Lots of black bags. One of my handbag rules, which I actually recently broke, but that's okay, is only buy black bags if they are Chanel, because a black bag will go with anything. It's timeless, just like Chanel. So it's okay getting another black bag, and it's still in the gold, but it's still slightly different. So this is the distressed calfskin. It is super soft, and I'm gonna just take a quick gander over it, see how the wear and everything is. So this one was rated very good, so I got an amazing deal on it. The chain, it doesn't look like it really has too much wear. I don't really see any of the gold coming off or silver's coming through. Maybe just a little bit on this little turn lock here, but the corners are in perfect condition. And then this is just a little bit soft, but not too bad. So no scratches or anything on the leather. Opening it up, you've got the gorgeous burgundy, and then stuffed dust bag inside there, as well as authenticity card. This is an 11 series. I don't remember what year that would translate to, but that's all the info on this bag. So it's almost a full set. Well, I guess it doesn't come with the box, but it has the dust bag and the authenticity card. So that's really nice. And of course the sticker, serial sticker right down in there, still attached. Nice, luxurious, roomy interior. An outer pocket so I can put my phone, and then the traditional pockets elsewhere, as you see on every other bag that Chanel, well, not every other bag, classic blouse that Chanel has. So differences that I've noticed between this one so far, this one is a little bit squishy. Like, look at how flat that goes. So I think that might be just because of the material, and it's a little bit older, so I think it's a little bit more well-worn. But cosmetically, and as far as all of the leather goes, it's in amazing condition. No scratches. There's just, looks like a tiny little scuff right there that might even be able to be buffed out. And then they did say there was a pop stitch. Normally I try to steer away from things like that. And I see it right there. It's kind of coming off. But another reason why I was okay going for this is somebody had posted some photos of a bag that they had recently gotten back from Leather Surgeons. And if you don't know, Leather Surgeons is this amazing company that kind of is a spa treatment for your bag. You send your bag in and it just completely revamps and brings your bag back to life. So I figured I could always buy this if I needed to send it in for one little pop stitch. For the money that I saved on this, I want to say it was over half the price of what these are going for. I think these are like $6,200 now. That's an amazing deal on one of these. Like, I didn't want to spend a super duper huge amount on like one that was in immaculate condition, because I do already have this reissue, this quilted gold and black one. I was okay with getting it a little bit older and well worn and more loved. I think I was also able to get such a good deal on this because not everybody is craving these right now, especially in this size, even though the 226 is, I think, like the perfect bag that Chanel makes as far as sizing, what it can fit, the perfect crossbody strap drop. But a lot of people are wanting the smaller size, like the 225 or even the 224. So the 224 would be like a mini. That would be a size between like the mini classic flap and a small, and then the smaller 225 is going to be between a small size and a medium size. So a small, the size down from this, will actually hold even less, maybe about the same, just because it is a little bit stretchier than that. That's not big enough for me to use as an everyday bag. I need to have a little bit more room, especially if I were wanting to travel. I need somewhere I can put my vlogging camera. So that's why I went with the slightly larger one. I have plenty of other bags that are smaller if I need a smaller bag. Even I could use that one. I really like this one because it does have the gold. It really gets in a nice pop. I don't know if they make these in like a shiny silver. I think it's always either like this kind of aged gold or in a ruthenium, which is like my boy bag. So I don't think I'm going to be adding a third one of these to my collection in the ruthenium, because my boy bag pretty much checks the box for a black quilted ruthenium bag. I don't need that also. But this one is different enough from my medium flap. I was able to justify it. And then I was also thinking for the structure, I don't know if this would be structure loss or if they are all kind of this flat. I know they're made to go flat with the kind of the curved bottom. That's just how they are. But I think if I were to be using this, I might want to get like an organizer inside just to give it a little bit more structure, because especially even when the bubble wrap was in it, like it just poops it right back up and really brings it to life. It looks a little bit newer. I'll probably buy an organizer or maybe like a base shaper. I don't know how much room the organizer is going to take up and take away from me to be able to put my items in here for the size of this, of everything that it holds that I love so much. So I'm going to do a little bit of research, I think, before I decide what kind of interior structural skeleton I'm going to use in this. But that is my unboxing of my new reissue. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that little bell so you are notified when those videos do go live. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.